Hello, how you doing today? Well, down in Atlanta at the Blade Show, I was looking on Marketplace, and I've been studying and stewing, trying to come up with something to do a better job on grinding in nail nicks, and I run across this old Brown and Sharp number 5 cutter and tool grinding machine that come over on a boat with Noah. I believe it's about that old. But anyway, I thought I could modify it to grind in nail nicks. I've been doing them on my mill, and it does all right, but it's a pretty big job to configure it, change everything over, and get set up to do the nicks. So I want something dedicated. So this works pretty good. So basically what I had to do, had to mount this old cross slide come off an old lathe on it, and that's where you had your tool post mounted, originally on a lathe. I made this plate, got a little fence here I can bump my blade up against. Clamp it down there. So anyway, this gives him my y-axis, and it already had adjustment here for the X. Works good. And up here was the Z-axis. So on these thin blades, you really got to know how deep you're going. If you take a blade that's 30 or 40 thousandths thick, you ain't got a lot of room to play with. So I mounted a little old DRO on it. Over here on the back is actually where the scale is. Made a mount, go around the column. So that gives me my Z-axis, and that's really what I'm concerned with, on how deep I go, and how you need to do the same on each blade, make it look the same. Needed a way to sharpen the stone, so made this outfit here. We got my degrees marked off there, and right now I'm cutting them at a 45. Swing a diamond in here and dress that stone each time, keep it good and sharp. It was 3-phase, took all that off. Mount a 110 motor on it. It's an old junky motor, but it works. But I run across something better, I'll swap it out. And of course I had to have a light and mister. So does a good job. I'm tickled with it. Now I just got to find some place to shoehorn it in where I can use it.